Welcome back, everyone. It's a pleasure to have you here on my channel once again. Today, I have a special treat for you as I unveil my top 5 picks for the absolute best rolling duffel luggage available on Amazon. When it comes to travel, having the right bag can make all the difference. These remarkable products have undergone extensive research and testing, ensuring that only the finest options make it to this coveted list. Whether you're seeking unrivaled quality or exceptional value for your hard-earned money, rest assured, I've got you covered. Join me in this video where I'll provide an in-depth analysis of each product, highlighting their unique strengths and potential drawbacks. By the end, you'll have all the information you need to make a well-informed decision. Regardless of whether you're an experienced enthusiast or new to the game, there's something here to pique your interest. Without further ado, let's dive right into the highly anticipated top 5 selection. Number 1. Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag. The Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag features a sleek design and sturdy construction that sets it apart from other duffel bags on the market. Made from high-quality materials, it is built to withstand the rigors of travel while maintaining its attractive appearance. The black color adds a touch of sophistication, making it a stylish choice for both business and leisure trips. The Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag is equipped with smooth rolling wheels that make maneuvering through airports, train stations, and hotel lobbies effortless. These durable wheels ensure stability and smooth movement, reducing the strain on your arms and shoulders. Whether you're navigating crowded spaces or uneven surfaces, the bag's wheels offer reliable performance and easy mobility. Many travelers commend its reliable performance and the convenience of its rolling feature. The bag's affordable price point compared to other brands also makes it an attractive choice for budget-conscious travelers. Number 2. Woolbridge Canvas Travel Bag. The Woolbridge Canvas Travel Bag in black is a stylish and functional solution for those seeking a reliable and spacious travel companion. This comprehensive review will delve into the features, benefits, and overall quality of this large-capacity travel tote. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a longer trip, this convenient carry-on luggage bag is designed to meet the needs of men on the go. This bag boasts a sleek and durable design that sets it apart from other travel bags on the market. Crafted from high-quality canvas material, this bag is built to withstand the rigors of travel while maintaining its classic aesthetic appeal. Its black color exudes sophistication and versatility, making it suitable for various travel occasions. With its large capacity, this travel tote offers ample room for all your travel essentials. From clothing and shoes to toiletries and gadgets, you'll find that the Woolbridge Canvas Travel Bag can accommodate everything you need. Number 3. Sandpiper of California Rolling Loadout Luggage X Large Bag. With an extra large capacity, this rolling bag provides abundant storage space for all your travel essentials. From clothing and shoes to electronic gadgets and accessories, you'll find that everything can be neatly organized within this bag. The spacious main compartment, combined with multiple pockets and compartments, allows for efficient packing and easy access to your belongings. The Sandpiper of California Rolling Loadout Luggage X Large Bag is designed with organization in mind. It features multiple zippered pockets, mesh compartments, and dividers that help you keep your items in order. Whether it's separating clean and dirty clothes or organizing small accessories, these thoughtful organizational features make packing and unpacking a breeze. Whether you're embarking on a business trip, a family vacation, or an outdoor adventure, this rolling bag adapts to your specific travel needs. Its versatile design and ample storage capacity make it suitable for a wide range of purposes. Number 4. Gloster N45L Travel Duffel Bag Foldable. Featuring a 45-liter capacity, this travel duffel bag offers ample space to accommodate all your essentials. The main compartment is roomy enough for clothing, toiletries, and other travel necessities. Additionally, the bag includes a separate shoe compartment, allowing you to keep your footwear separate from your other belongings. This thoughtful design ensures your items stay organized and easily accessible. One of the standout features of the Gloster N45L travel duffel bag is its foldable design. When not in use, the bag can be conveniently folded into a compact size, making it easy to store in your luggage or closet. This feature is particularly useful when traveling, as it allows you to pack an additional bag without taking up much space. The bag's lightweight construction further enhances its portability. Travel often exposes your belongings to unpredictable weather conditions. This bag is constructed from water-repellent 1680D ballistic polyester, providing excellent protection against light rain and moisture. Number 5. Tumi Alpha 3 Large Split 2-Wheel Duffel Bag. This bag exhibits a sleek and contemporary design that exudes sophistication. Meticulously crafted with the finest materials, this bag showcases Tumi's commitment to superior craftsmanship. The black color adds a touch of elegance, making it a versatile choice for both professional and leisure travels. With its clean lines and attention to detail, this bag is a statement of refined style. The cleverly designed interior features a split compartment, allowing for efficient organization and separation of belongings. The quick zip feature provides easy access to the main compartment, ensuring hassle-free packing and unpacking. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?